Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. So, if you guys could do me a big favor and please subscribe to my page. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers, and if I get to 100, it will definitely prove my first grade teacher wrong when she said that I would be nobody in life. So, the joke's on her, right? So anyways, what I'm about to say for this next part, if you take anything away from this video, it's this next part that I want it to be. So, take a pen, whatever you have to do, write it down wherever, and here it is. Your success depends on you. So what I'm trying to say is, if you don't put in the effort to learn, to get better at trading stocks, you will lose all your money. There is no course that you could buy that will make you a successful stock trader. Not even my free course that I'm about ready to release. It all depends on you. So this video is going to be about the 3 do's and the 3 don'ts for learning how to trade stocks for the beginners. So, do number 1. Stop using real money and start paper trading. If you cannot take a paper trading account and grow that with fake money, you are definitely not going to build an account with real money. So why risk your money when you don't have to? So paper trade until you get successful, until you're, doubling your account at least. I would actually recommend paper trading for 6 months. Do number 2. Learn how to make a stock scanner. This is what will lead you to your success. Because if you know how to find the stocks to trade, that's where your growth will come from. And when you do this, you are now self-sufficient. You don't have to, take anybody else's advice. You don't have to depend on nobody else. You can look for what you want and filter out all the noise. Do number 3. Protect yourself. As much as you don't like to think that you're vulnerable, at this point, you are so vulnerable right now. And with you being on social media, seeking advice or things like that, there are so many people, all these stock gurus, who are trying to funnel you into their memberships. And they just want that money that you'll pay them monthly, or their programs, whatever they're offering. They're vultures, basically, a lot of them. A lot of them, actually not a lot of them, most of them are scammers. There are a few good ones, but most of them are scammers. They don't care about your money, and they'll lead you down a path and you'll blow up your account. Don't number 1. Don't just jump into a paid course because you want to learn right then. Make sure that you build a foundation already with the knowledge out there. Now, I know it is hard to find what you're looking for when you're just beginning, when you don't have a clue. I completely get that. And that's why I am making this free course. And I'll never charge for anything. I'm not going to have any chats or watch lists. I'm just making a free course to help you guys out. So, build that foundation with the free information that you already have out there before you actually pay for a course, if that's the route you want to go. Don't, number 2, do not pay for a watch list. Paying for a watch list is like paying for a weather forecast. Watch lists are basically, it's literally in the word, a watch list. It doesn't say buy list. These are literally just, emails list, however they want to put it out to their followers, of stocks to watch. That, some traders, they put out, I guess, some decent watch lists with stocks on it that have the potential to break out. But the thing is, you still need to do your own due diligence and research all that. You don't know if it's going to break out and start trending up. So if you just blindly jump into it, you could, turn your whole account upside down. And that's the last thing you want to do starting out. So become self-sufficient. Number 3, don't listen to people who say you will make money buying a certain stock. When people jump into a lot of these chat rooms and things like that, people are just throwing out these tickers that and they're saying, this one's about ready to run, and you can make 100% off of this one, and whatever else they're saying. Now, they might make some good calls from time to time, but overall, they're crap. Chances are they are probably already in that stock, and they're pumping it. They want you to jump in, throw your money in there along with everybody else, so it rises the price for them. They'll make their profit, and they don't care if you make a profit or not. You got them out of that trade. You padded their portfolio. So I hope you just take, these 3 do's and don'ts and the advice about success depends on you, and just think about it. The last thing I want to see happen to you is you start depending on somebody else to trade, when really you can learn how to do it yourself. And that's the whole point here. You need to learn to do it yourself. You need to know how to make a scanner. You need to know how to find the stocks that you're going to trade, and you need to know how to make money. It takes a long time to learn how to trade stocks and be successful. That's why 90% of people lose their money. So for all these people that are telling you to buy a certain stock, pay for their program, whatever it is, you can't tell me, with there being 90% of people losing their money, that there are this many people out there who are successful, and they just decided, to start making a course for you to charge you monthly or however they want to charge, even though they are already a millionaire or whatever they say. But anyways, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video, and I wish you the best. Again, subscribe to my channel. You'll have access to that free course when it releases here in about the next week or 2. So probably around the first week of July 2018. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.